because right now it's currently flashing image, so I'm going to show you the other screen here. So as you can see, this is our AC Linux. And then I'm going to start from here. On the left bottom side, there's a Linux terminal. Open the terminal. And yeah, so I'm going to type in some commands here. CD space, and let's try again. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So for you, to easy remember, I actually made a Word file. So I just easily copy paste. That'll be faster. Now I'm going to the NVIDIA sample library to grab this sample demo, download from there. So there's a visionworks. This is one of the sample demo they have in NVIDIA AI module. If you buy any NVIDIA AI modules, it comes with the sample demo that you can use. Okay, and then sudo install. So I actually just download the sample demo. It's like copy to here. I'm telling them, okay, I want to do this demo, and then these. Oh, sorry. Okay. So if you look at here, there are a few demo you can choose, such as NVIDIA demo feature tracker, or motion detect estimations, or stereo matching. There are a few green lights here. Those are the sample you can select. And then I'm just randomly choose one, like motion estimation. This one. Motion. Sorry. Yep, so this is one of the demo in NVIDIA sample libraries that you can see is actually detecting anything is moving. So this is one of the sample, which is motion detection. And let's try another one. SOS. And then I choose feature checker. Yeah, so here comes another feature checker demo here. So it's actually lists out all the cards or some lines, the bridge, the shape. Okay. Great. And then let's have a look at another one. I actually don't remember which one is which one, but let's just randomly choose to see how it looks like. I copy dot slash and then paste. Okay, so this is a video stabilization demo. So on the left side, you can see it's like moving, but the other one is more stabilized. And here you can see how many frames per second running. It shows on here. Okay. And we still have some time because we are still waiting for the image download. So let's try another one. So and then let's try this one, object trigger. Copy. Yeah, okay. This is more simple because it's actually just mark all the object on the bridge. 90%.